Page 142, the glowworm. Another lead sheet. So we get the melody and the chords and we make up the accompaniment. So let's just go through that. On page 143, they give you suggestions for the accompaniment. I'll get to that a little later. First, we just look it over. It's what? It looks like it's in C major, all the white keys, although there are accidentals. And we'll just play it first, the melody. Let's make sure we know what it is in 4/4 time. 1 and 2 and there's one thumb here. This prepares us for what's coming because we've got to move a little bit. So it's 3. Remember the accidental is good from that point on to the rest of the measure. Both of those G's are G sharped in the second measure. Thumb again. And then cross, just for one note, cross over. And then scrunch up a little bit, 4th finger. Now, in measure 8. They give 2 finger numbers. That's an option. You get to do either one. So if I suggest use 3 because that way we're in position to go on, because the measure 9 is like at the beginning and we're kind of going to do the melody again. Here? Yeah. Measure 13, we're here. The fermata, you just hang on that little while and then go on. They want 2-1. No. You don't need to do that here. Just reach down a little bit. Use 2-1, not 1-2. I don't need to cross over. Yeah. So once I have the melody okay, then I'm going to do the chords. I want to make sure I know what they are. I'm going to use close position, which means I'm not going to move around. All the chords, I'm going to use inversions of the chords, whatever I need to kind of keep my hand in one position, or close to it. So we have a C chord, then the G7 chord, which is the 5/7 chord in C major. And then C chords, we got a bunch of those. We'll just go back and forth. On measure 14, we get the F chord, which is the 4 chord. Just come up here. So it's just the primary chords. We can do that. Okay. So then I put them together, and I'm just playing block chords. I just want to hear it. The melody with the harmony here. Here. You get the idea? Now just go through the whole thing just so I can hear the harmony. Then I can start thinking about changing it up. What are the different patterns we might use? I can do this pattern. Another pattern is, remember the Alberti bass? Another pattern. They give suggestions over on page 133. You're playing half notes. Or down toward the middle of the page, a little under, this quarter note. It's another pattern. You can change the rhythm up however you want to. This one generally is, the rhythm is fairly straightforward. We don't get a lot of syncopation and stuff in this particular melody. Maybe you changing and using different patterns at different times. I could go here. Whatever, it's up to you and your imagination. If it sounds okay, it is okay. There's no real right or wrong here. Now at the end, when that fermata comes, again, it's up to you how you handle that. It says it's an F chord. Measure 13, it's here. So it's an F chord, and just hang on to that, and then change. Whatever. Play around with it. Have some fun with it. Let me know if you have any questions. I don't do play with me's on these because all they give you is a melody, and you do the rest.